I'm gonna win this challenge because mine's gonna be perfect. I'm not gonna put a lot.
That's a little bit.
It's not as clear.
Because Ameerah told me to keep mixing it.
Oh, she's a cheater, isn't she? All right.
Wait. What is it? What? What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Slimeatory! Alright, guys, today we are going to be doing something we haven't done in a really long time. We are going to be recreating the background slimes. We haven't done that in so long, so let's do it. And also, guys, there is going to be a twist this time. Whoever makes the best background slime wins $10,000. $10,000? And the judge for it is going to be Paul.
That's right, guys. I want to judge who makes the best background slime.
Alright, so let's get straight on into the video. Yo! Okay, guys, so first thing we gotta do is get our ingredients, so I go first. Okay, guys, so for this challenge, I can just make a slime from just scratch, like whatever I want, guys. I don't have to give a slime makeover or, you know, just make it prettier. I can make whatever I want. So I'm thinking, I got these new female slices and I love them. So last time in a make it prettier slime challenge, I made this like kiwi refresher slime. It has a bunch of these. So it has some kiwi and some jelly cubes and some foam beads, and it looks so pretty, guys. Look at how nice it is. Isn't it so pretty? I'm thinking about making another fruit themed slime just like this one, but with like a different fruit. So let's do that. Okay, guys, so let's look in the drawer for the female slices so we can see our inspiration. All right, so we got all of these ones. We got banana, strawberry, watermelon. Watermelon might be a good one. We got orange and kiwis and the strawberry. This different type of strawberry. I'm gonna go with strawberry. All right, guys, I'm gonna make a strawberry themed refresher drink and it is gonna look beautiful. Okay, guys, so for my food coloring, okay, guys, so for the color of the slime, I'm gonna be using pink because strawberries, I think, are pink, right? And then I think I might wanna add just a little bit of pigment just to give it that sparkle. This pigment should be good. It's just a pearl white. And I'm gonna be using a clear base, by the way, guys, if you didn't know. Okay, guys, I'm also gonna be using this pink glitter, some jelly cubes, sponges, things, and some of this fish bowl. And now, guys, for the last ingredients, I'm gonna get some foam beads to really just add that final touch. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be using some of these white giant foam bead thingies and some of the pink ones. Alrighty, I think that should be good, guys.
All right, I have the perfect slime to win. I think I'm gonna make a cupcake slime. So I'm gonna make it like a pastel yellow one. First ingredient I'm gonna use is my magical clay. So let me just grab that one. Grab 2 packs. I think that should work. And then I'm gonna get some yellow food coloring and some pink and blue glitter. And now I'm gonna grab some foam beads and some sprinkles. This one is perfect. All right, this one. All right, guys, last ingredient is the foam beads. And I think I'm done. Now, let's go win this challenge, guys.
Okay, guys, we are back and let's do this. All right, first I'm going to add food coloring to my slime.
First, I'm gonna add my magical, incredible, amazing clay.
Okay, we first admire this beautiful clear slime. All right, anyways, let's add the food coloring. I think actually I'm gonna add a bit more and let's mix. You know what? I think I'm actually gonna mix my strawberries in there too. Good, and we're gonna put the foam beads and some of these foam beads. And let's mix now. Ooh, this is looking so good already, guys. I love this.
All right, so let's add my magical clay to make it all buttery and nice. And of course, I'm gonna win this challenge because mine's gonna be perfect.
Okay, guys, so this is looking so good. Right, no, okay. Okay, guys, so this is looking so good already. Now I'm gonna add some of the metallic powder, pigment, I mean. I think that should be good. I just want a little bit of a sparkle.
And now I'm gonna add my yellow food coloring. Dot here, a dot here, and a dot here, and the last one there. All right, so I want it to be like a pastel yellow color. I'm not gonna put a lot.
That's a little bit. All right. Well, anyways, I am gonna start cutting my jelly cubes now. Guys, isn't it so satisfying to cut these little sponges? However, I am not very good at it. Gosh, guys, these are so uneven. I'm really bad at cutting these.
Ameerah, see, it did turn out a pastel yellow.
Well then, I guess I just put way too less food coloring.
And now I'm gonna put my foam beads. All right, a little bit more. There you go. Now we mix them in here. This is gonna be so pretty.
Alrighty, I'm all done with my cubes. They're not the best, but they're cubes. Alright, throw this on there. That went everywhere.
More like rectangles.
Wow. Alright, let's mix that in. I love how jelly cubes make slimes look. Like, they make them look so, I don't know, refreshing. Maybe because they look like ice cubes or something. Let's squish that. This is so cute. It's got a strawberry on it. Oh, I didn't make any noise. Alrighty, now I gotta add some glitter. Let's add some of that. Just a little bit. This is looking so good, guys. I am really in love with this slime.
And now I'm gonna put my sprinkles. I need a lot of, oh my gosh. And I'm gonna.
Mom, that looks really pretty.
Yes.
I have to say, it looks really nice.
Thank you. Well, that one looks very nice too.
Thank you.
But not as nice as mine, of course. To top it off, I'm gonna put some sprinkles, pink, ooh, and some blue ones. And there you go. It's my perfect cupcake slime. Now I want to eat cupcakes.
Okay, I'm gonna add my fish bowls now.
Oh yeah, well I'm done.
You're done already? Whoa.
All right, you're done. Hey, that means I can look at hers.
Wait, I am almost done. I just have to add a bit more sprinkles and then I'll be fully done. I want more strawberries because they look so cute. Alrighty, and I think I am finally done. I'll just put it in my container and done.
All right, who wants to go first?
Me.
Okay, wow, you didn't say for once.
Because I want to add a little bit more.
Oh, I see. Okay, all right, let's take a look at yours. And
here's my container.
that's pretty nice.
For when you after you judge it, I'm gonna put it in here.
This looks really good. Let me poke it just so I could really. Oh wow, this is butter slime, isn't it? Ooh.
Yep.
And it's that's a really nice slime.
Guess what I made it with?
Magical clay.
Yep.
It's gotta be. Do some ASMR, Jay. I want to see this.
All right. Doesn't it make you want to eat cupcakes? It's a cupcake slime. Look at how nice it is and
It is
buttery.
it looks very tasty.
I have to say, I really love the color and this texture. How did you get that?
My magical clay.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Just makes me want to eat cupcakes. I mean, if this was a cupcake, it wouldn't be here anymore. So, do I win, Paul?
Well, we gotta see the other contestant.
wait a
All
second,
right,
Mom.
so you're done showing me. All right, let's see this.
Here is my
Whoa.
beautiful slime. This is
That
a
is
strawberry
really nice.
drink refresher thing.
Strawberry drink refresher thing. I love the name.
It's got foam beads, jelly cubes, strawberry sprinkles, and fishbowl
Ooh,
beads.
ooh, I can squeeze those.
Well, not yet because they're not done, but yeah.
I can squeeze this right here. Very nice. I like it.
I can take it out of the jar. There you go. It's got lots of strawberries in there, lots of foam beads.
That looks tasty too. You guys are
Fishbowl
making
beads.
tasty looking slimes.
Fruit.
This is gonna be a hard one, guys. How am I supposed to decide?
Her slime is very healthy.
That's true. I don't like healthy. I want to go
it's
with
got tons of sugar because it's a strawberry drink.
That does sound pretty good.
Yeah.
You know what? I'm making this a tie. Let's go on second round. Let's see who can make it better on the second round. You guys
All right.
tie.
I am
You guys tie
ready.
up.
I'm ready too.
Do you want to get ingredients first?
No, I don't want to go first. You can go first.
That's a little suspicious.
Why? You can go first.
All right. Okay, guys, so for this slime, wait, guys, I have to be quiet because she was being very suspicious. I actually wanted to let her go first this time, but she wants to come, so maybe she wants to copy me. I'm gonna make a galaxy jelly slime, and it's gonna look so cool. So first, I'm going to get some instant snow. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna use purple food coloring, blue food coloring, and pink food coloring. I'm gonna make it different colors, and then I'm gonna mix it all, and it's gonna look so cool. And then I'm gonna get some glitters, obviously purple, blue, and pink. So let's get that. Okay, guys, so here's the glitters I got. There's not much of this blue, but I think it should be fine. And then I got these little star glitters. They look so cool. Now, guys, I think this is all I need. And I just realized I'm just talking loud. Okay, whatever. Anyways, so now I'm going to go and win this challenge.
Okay, guys, it was really suspicious that Ameerah wanted me to go first, so don't tell her anything. But I came and tried to listen to what she was saying, and I couldn't hear anything, but I did hear that she was gonna use a bunch of glitters, but she was whispering. So I'm gonna use a bunch of glitters too. To begin with, I'm gonna use this pink food coloring. Okay, guys, I picked out my glitters, and now I'm gonna grab some sprinkles. Ooh, this one looks nice. How about... it's so hard to choose. I don't know which one to choose. These ones are perfect. Okay, now I'm gonna grab a unicorn charm. All right, I think I'm ready. I grabbed my unicorns and my sprinkles, and I am totally ready to win this one.
Okay, guys, we're back, and let's let's do this. Okay.
Let's win this challenge, Jeddah.
Okay guys, so I have my clear slime already split in 3. Now I just gotta add my food colorings. I have neon pink one. I'm gonna add 2 drops of that. Blue one, 1 drop. And this purple one. Put 2 drips of that one. And let's mix them. I am excited because I like galaxy slime. That's why.
Oh yeah, well I'm adding my pink food coloring and mine's gonna be so nice. All right, let's mix it all. And I'm making this pink one because I love pink.
Guys, look at how pretty this is. It like has such a cool color. It's like really bright, but kind of pastel at the same time. I really like it. All right, now we're gonna move on to the blue one. Ooh, I like this one a lot too. Alrighty, there is that's that. All right, let's get on to the purple one. Ooh, I love this color too. I think I might need a bit more purple.
Oh yeah? Well, look at my
very good.
pink. Mine is gorgeous. It's beautiful.
That
It turned
is
out
really
amazing.
pretty.
Look at this. All right, now I am going to add my glitters.
Okay guys, now I'm gonna add my glitter. Blue one, okay. Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty.
Oh yeah, well I'm adding my holographic glitter. A lot of it first. Look at that. It looks beautiful. Now let's mix it in here. Whoa. It looks amazing.
Okay guys, it looks so good. Now I'm going to add this glitter into this pink slime. Oh, that was a lot. You know what? I'm gonna put some back because I don't want it to ruin the color. That looks so pretty. Alrighty, now I'm gonna do the purple. These are looking so good, guys. That one shows a lot. Alrighty guys, so the last thing I'm gonna do is for my jelly, I'm actually gonna kind of like just try and let it soak. No, I'm not. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna add it like that. Add a little bit of this one, a little bit of that one. And let's mix and hope for the best.
Now I am gonna add all my pink glitters. Start with this darker one. Ooh. Then I'm gonna use this one that is actually purple, but I still wanna add it on here. Now, other pink. Last but not least, the lightest pink. Now let's mix it in. Whoa, this looks nice. This is super sparkly. I love this.
Okay, well my slimes are all done and they soaked enough. They're not completely soaked, but they're good enough and they have a really cool texture. So I am all done, Paul. You can check my slimes out.
All right.
I'm all done too.
Okay, you guys were quick on this round. Let's take a look at yours.
No. She can go first.
Okay, let's take a look at yours.
All right, here are my slimes. I don't have it in the container because I don't want to mix them just yet. I'm going to put them in the container mixed, and then I'm going to leave them so that they can kind of clear up. But anyways, here they are. Nice galaxy jelly slimes. Very nice. You should try it.
That looks really cool. I really like
And
this
we got
one.
this purple one, blue one, and a pink one.
They're nice and they're not sticky and they're very clicky. I like these.
Yeah, and then I'm just going to go ahead and put them in the container now. Purple one first. Actually, I'll put it like that. Blue one. Put the pink one on top. And there we go. And I'm gonna leave them on the shelf so that it can kind of clear up and then we can see it. It's gonna look so cool. But
I really like
that
it.
is my slime. It's a jelly galaxy slime.
I like it. All right, let's take a look at yours.
And here's my unicorn slime.
Whoa, that's pretty good.
Right?
That looks really nice.
Wow. Thank you.
I like this. This is cool. It's not as clear.
Because Ameerah told me to keep mixing it.
Oh, she's a cheater, isn't she? All right.
Wait. What?
Nothing. That my slime looks really nice.
Okay, all right. So, well, I mean, it looks pretty. It looks really nice.
Thank you.
It's sticky.
No, it's your hand.
It's sticky.
No, it's your
It's
hand.
Sticky, icky, wicky. Okay, I made a decision. All right, yours was really pretty.
Thank you.
Okay, I like it. But there's a clear winner, and that is you. Just kidding. You win.
Yes!
You
Oh my
win
gosh,
this
thank
one.
goodness, yes!
I like that you got 3 colors
Thank
on
you.
there, and I like that it is not sticky, and it looks really pretty. Perfecto.
Okay, well, I guess I win the $10,000. I'm gonna spend it on ice cream. I'm just kidding.
Can I have some ice cream?
Yeah, sure. All right. Yes. Wait. Yes. I don't think she cheated this time.
You cheated this time.
Oh, I did not. Anyways, let me put these slimes on the shelf. I'm gonna switch out this pink one. Let's put the watermelon there. And then I'm just gonna switch this one for this one so it matches, and voila. They look so cool, guys. Anyways, guys, I guess that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you comment down below if you want another one, and that's a little bit so much. I really, really, really hope I see you guys next time. Bye!